Hi, this is Rick from Rick's Daily Tips Tech Blog. Did you know Gmail has a nifty feature called Undo Send that gives you up to 30 seconds to change your mind after clicking the send button? I realize that a few seconds isn't a long time, but I can recall several instances in the past when having a few seconds to change my mind after hitting send would have come in mighty handy. Luckily, it's very easy to unsend a Gmail message. After you've composed your email and click the send button, a button will pop up on the screen with a link labeled Undo on it. Click the Undo link and the message will not be sent. You'll be instead taken right back to the Compose message screen where you can make changes to the message or simply delete it. I have a message on the screen that I've just typed out for demo purposes, and I'm going to click Send. Now right there is the Undo button. If I click it, I'm taken right back to the Compose message screen. Now I can make changes to the message before I send it, or I can just delete it if I change my mind completely. But now I'm going to go ahead and click Send. And if I don't do anything, after a few seconds that Undo link is going to disappear, and there it went. That means the message has been sent, and at this point I cannot pull it back. By the way, the default delay during which you can undo send is only 5 seconds by default, but you can change that to as long as 30 seconds in the settings. First, click the gear shape settings icon. Now click See All Settings, and then scroll down to this Undo Send line and change this 5 in the drop down box to 10, 20, or 30, whatever your choice is. After you've made your choice, scroll down to the bottom, all the way to the bottom, and click Save Changes. From now on, you'll have 30 seconds after clicking Undo to actually change your mind and keep the message from going out to the recipient. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to unsend a Gmail message. If you found this tip useful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks a bunch.